The contribution of women in the fields of science is perhaps one of the less explored subjects globally, and even to this day, there are fewer women pursuing scientific fields or STEM than men globally. For women in India, the challenges of pursuing the myriad fields of science during the British Raj and the years leading to India's independence on August 15, 1947 was difficult to say the least, as there were only limited opportunities. Higher educational institutions started by the British were limited when compared to India's population and geographical spread, and most of them were for men. The situation was even more complicated for women due to traditional circumstances in India of not encouraging education of the girl child, let alone giving them opportunities to pursue scientific fields. But for many women in India, these historic conditions, though difficult, were not insurmountable. As we celebrate 75 years of India's independence, we also celebrate the lives and contribution of women who cracked the glass ceiling and pursued science in the 19th and the 20th century in India. They were pioneers who fought against discrimination as well as societal and cultural barriers of keeping women out of educational institutions. So in this two-part series of Science for a Self-Reliant India, we first explore the lives and contribution of some remarkable women, like Kadambini Ganguly, the first qualified doctor of India who studied medicine in Calcutta Medical College, E.K. Janaki Ammal, botanist and cytologist, Annamani, who excelled in the field of meteorology and physics, and Dr. Ashima Chatterjee, who excelled in organic chemistry and phytomedicine.
Women like Kamla Bhagwat at that time, who later on became Kamla Sohani, who did her pre-doctoral work here and then went to the UK with a scholarship where she did some very important work on cancer. Kamal Randive, Kamla Sohani, these are the early women scientists that I can think of. Then came Professor Janaki Ammal, who was the first woman to get a PhD in a US university. Then there is Professor Ashima Chatterjee, who got first woman to get a PhD in chemistry in India.
This and much more in our show, Science for a Self-Reliant India, only on India Science.